Let's start with the Sun. You can see it selected on the left, and everything it's directly connected to in the middle. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system, and it holds more than 99% of all the mass in the system. Every planet, every moon, every asteroid is just leftovers. And notice it has exactly one connection, one line leading to the first planet. Let's follow it. Tap Mercury and it slides to the left. Now the middle column shows what Mercury touches. The Sun behind it, Venus ahead of it, and a card called planets that ties all 8 together. Mercury is the smallest planet. A bare rock, scorching by day, freezing at night, and no moons at all. Follow the chain to Venus. Almost the same size as Earth, but its thick clouds trap heat, making it the hottest planet in the system. Hotter than Mercury, even though it's further from the Sun. And look at the right-hand column. Those are the connections of the connections. 2 taps ahead of wherever you're standing. Next is Earth, the only place we know of that supports life. And here's something new in the middle column. The Moon, our one natural satellite, and the only other world humans have ever stood on. Then Mars, the red planet. See the little numbers on each card? That's how many connections it has. Mars picks up 2 from its 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, probably captured asteroids. This is where the rocky planets end. Cross the asteroid belt and everything changes scale. Jupiter is the giant, bigger than all the other planets combined. And you can see it in the graph. The middle column fills up. 4 big moons discovered by Galileo in 1610. Io, covered in volcanoes, the most geologically active body we know of. Europa, an ice shell over a hidden ocean, one of the best places in the solar system to look for life. Ganymede, the biggest moon there is, bigger than Mercury. And cratered Callisto. Each one is its own card, 1 tap away. Next along the chain is Saturn, the one everybody recognizes, the planet with the rings. Its neighborhood is busy too. Titan, its biggest moon, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Enceladus, tiny and icy, sprays water into space from its south pole. And Rhea, its quiet second largest. Uranus is an ice giant, tipped completely on its side, rolling around the Sun. Its moons include Titania, the largest, and Miranda, which looks like it was smashed apart and put back together. And at the far end of the chain, Neptune, deep blue and the windiest place in the solar system. Its big moon Triton orbits backwards, which tells us Neptune probably captured it. Now, 2 cards have been showing up everywhere. Tap planets, and all 8 line up in the middle column at once. Tap moons, and there are all 13, from our moon to Triton. Hubs like these give you a way in from the top, and the chain gives you a path through the middle. Same facts, different doors. So that's the whole system. 1 star, 8 planets in a chain, 13 major moons, each hanging off its planet. Every fact is a card. Every relationship is a connection. Nothing is buried in a folder. Nothing is lost in a long document. You stand on any card and you can see what it touches, and what those touch in turn. That's how memory actually works. Not lists, connections. Everything you just saw orbits something. So does everything in your life. Projects orbit people. Ideas orbit projects. iXnote shows you the orbits. Get it free in the Mac or iOS App Store today.